Hi, welcome to a new topic. This time we're going to learn another structure for the past. We're going to learn how to use the structure used to. We use used to talk about things that we did in the past, but that we don't do anymore. Okay, this is for things that we did, okay, for habits we had in the past, and that we don't do anymore. The structure is pretty simple. All you have to do is to start with the subject, continue with used to, then the verb in base form. That is very important. Even when we are talking about the past, you need to use the base form, and then the complement. For example, she used to play with Barbies. What does that mean? That person doesn't play with Barbies at the moment or in the present, but she had that habit in the past. We have different examples. Here's another one. I used to crawl before I walked. What does that mean? I had the habit, or I did this before I walked. Okay, I crawled before I walked. I used to crawl before I walked. Okay, the structure is pretty simple, as you just saw. This time we're only checking the affirmative structure. And now it's your turn. For example, if we have some sodas and you do not have that horrible habit anymore, then you can say, I used to drink sodas. Okay? Here we have another one. And you can say, I used to eat junk food. Okay? I don't anymore. Here we have another one. I used to run every day. It's an old habit I don't have anymore. In this case, he used to climb mountains. Again, not anymore. Okay? Not in the present. This is an old habit. Now, I want you to think, okay? What did you used to do that you don't do anymore? Okay? Think of some examples and check the structures in this video so that you write them down and say them. Remember the structure: subject, used to, then the verb, and then the complement. Example: I used to eat sugar. Not anymore. Okay? Thank you very much.